Hi, to enter vibration settings on the POCO F6, you will need to open settings on your phone first, and here just scroll so you can see the sound and vibration tab. And after that, just on the bottom of the page you would see this vibrate section and haptic feedback. Firstly, we can enable or disable those two features, vibrate for calls and vibrate in silent mode. In my case, they are enabled because they light up blue like that. And to disable them, just tap on those switchers to disable. And as for the haptic feedback, you can receive tactile response to gestures and system controls. And if it's enabled, like in my case, then you can change the haptic feedback level. Just drag the slider left or right, like that. Right is to feel maximum feedback. And to disable it, just tap on the switcher and it would be gone. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.